In this video, I'm going to show you two ways of how you can add a favicon to your Lovable project. First, you want to find your project and load it up. Once you have it loaded up, then the first method will be just telling Lovable add a favicon. Once you type the prompt add favicon, then here it's going to show you upload an image, and you can choose and submit your type of favicon upload the way that you want it. Okay, so here if you click on upload an image, it is going to give you the prompt, and another way of how you can do it is by publishing your project. Once you have your project published, you will click on website info, and here you will see icon and title. Now you want to click on the Lovable icon, and you can then choose your favicon. It is going to upload, and once it has uploaded, then you can publish your project here. So let me just do it, and right here you will need to click on save. Once this message disappears, you will click on save, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.